Always be cautious. Fireworks 101. First rule.
This is the better one. But. I'm so scared.
Alright, Brad, run!
Oh my god.
Is it gonna work?
Are you kidding me?
No, I still see it. Like it's going off still in there.
You didn't tell me where the whip was, so.
Well, it's smoking really bad, so.
I still don't trust it. Oh, freak! Get down! Get down! Get down! Ah! No more! I was like, oh.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
Dude, I seen one.
Look at all that smoke.
Dude, I seen one go right past me.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's like, I was like, oh.
It's like an action movie.
We should totally make an action movie. That'd be awesome.
Oh my gosh, a fireworks.
Run!
Look at this. We're in a cloud of smoke.
We're done. No more.
Hey, we're book free now.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, that was amazing.
All I know is I'm running. I look going to my left. I see one like going right past me. I'm like, oh crap. That's scary.
Well, that's Fireworks 101 for you.
What do you mean?
So lighting another one?
It's right there. There you go. Run.
What else you got?
No.